Right, today we're going to be adding and subtracting using place value. To be successful, you're going to need to use your previous knowledge of place value. You're going to need to use place value grid if needed, and you're going to be showing your calculations pictorially in that grid. So if I was to tell you to solve this calculation, I know that many of you will go straight to a column method and you would solve it just like this. So 7 add 2 is 9, 6 add 0 is 6, 0 add 4 is 4, 5 add 3 is 8, and 2 add 1 is 3. Great, I get the right answer, but that did take me quite a long time. And what you might notice is at no point in this did I have to carry anything forward. So when I've noticed that I don't need to carry anything forward, I can solve this calculation mentally just using my place value knowledge. Now I'm going to show you what I would be doing in my mind, and in the next one I might just do it quick as I can. So the first thing I'm going to do is to, in my place value grid, write out my starting numbers. So I have 2 10,000s, 5,000s, no hundreds, 6 tens and 7 ones. Now what I'm going to do in a different colour is I'm going to add on the second number, but I'm going to do it a column at a time. So I'm going to start with the ones, I'm going to add 2, and that is now going to give me 9. I'm going to add none to the tens, so that remains the same. I'm going to add 4 to the hundreds, making the total 4. I'm going to add 3 to the thousands, making the total 8, and I'm going to add 1 to the 10,000s, making a total of 3. You can see how I got the same answer there. So, having a go at this one, if I were to do this without my place value grid, I'm going to see that I add the 2 to the 5, that's going to make 8. The 3 here to the 4, because that's in the tens column, going to make 7. 1 to the 6, also making 7. 6 to the 0, getting 6. 0 to the 8, getting 8, and 4 to the 1, getting 5. So you can see how that time I did that a lot quicker than in using my column addition, because I noticed that there was no exchanging going on at all. Sorry, no carrying going on at all. So now let's have a look at its subtraction. So I'm going to go back to populating my place value grid. So first of all, I've got 900,000. Oh, no, I don't. That was very wrong. Let's see if I can move these across. There we go. So 9 10,000s, 8 thousands, 300s, 5 tens, and 7 ones. So this time I'm going to be subtracting. I'm going to do it the way I would expect you to do it, because you can't drag them into the bin like I can here. So first of all, as I'm going to start with my ones column, I'm going to take away 2. So I'm going to cross out 2, and that's going to leave me with 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. In my tens column, I want to take away 5, so I'm going to cross out 5, and that's going to leave me with 0. In my hundreds column, I'm not going to do anything because it's asking me to take away 0, so that will stay the same. In my thousands column, I need to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's going to leave me with 5. And in my 10,000s column, it asks me to take away 1. So that's going to leave me with 8. So there's my answer. 85,305. So, your task today is to answer these calculations. I don't mind which ones you do, bronze or silver. You could test yourself out with a couple of bronze and then move on to silver, or you could do bronze and then dabble in a little bit of silver once you get confident. Okay, here are examples of how I would expect it to be laid out within your place value grid. So you'll notice today there shouldn't be too much exchanging or carrying to be done. Once you've done that, I've given you some questions in slightly different ways into bar models. So there are 8 questions here, and then some mastery tasks for you to complete at the end to show me how much you've understood. And as per normal, all answers are underneath. Please make sure that you are ticking and dotting your answers. If you have got it wrong, have another go. If it's in a different colour pen, that would be even better, then it would stand out to your teacher even more.